I was on my way home from a late night animation screening and I was eagerly thinking about all the food that I was about to eat. I was starving on this day and I hadn't eaten anything other than coffee. My stomach was constantly making noises and I'd spent roughly $50 on fast food. This night was the worst snowstorm the city had seen in years, which led me to walking sideways to make sure I didn't slip and fall. The winds were so strong that it forced my eyes wide open. As I came up to the front of my building, I encountered a really strange man. He began following me home and asked if he could borrow my phone to call his mother. I led him towards the train station so he could get the help he needed. However, as I got close to my building again, he began rushing behind me. He was yelling he had a gun to give him all of my money. Out of anger, I slammed my food on the floor and chucked my umbrella down the block. As I turned around to face this guy, I realized I'd scared him away.